Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make anywhere from $300 to $800 in daily commissions promoting someone else's product using 100% free traffic and a traffic source that you're probably using on a daily basis, but you don't even know that you can do this type of stuff. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell, leave a comment for me if you have any kind of questions, share this video, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video, because I'm going to share something so powerful that's generated me over $117,000 in commissions using a done for you program, a selling system that does all the selling and telling for me, and I don't even have to talk to anyone, I don't have to chase anyone, I don't have to do anything. The only thing I do is market the product which is taught in the program, and there you go. The selling is done, the telling is done, and it converts like hotcake. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. So let's dive into this video. You can do this with your own product, you could do this with your own course, you could promote someone else's product, you could do this with anything out there. And we're just going to look into one of the affiliate networks called Clickbank. Clickbank has thousands of digital products online, and you can promote some of these best of the best products on the internet using 100% free traffic. So we're going to come here on Clickbank and we're going to choose one of the products. So I'm just going to go for a high ticket product here that pays me up to $1,000 in commissions. So let's scroll down and let's choose this product that I'm seeing down here. This product is going to pay me $678.15. Now, before I decide to promote this product, the biggest and the important part is that you need to check the product to make sure that it doesn't direct the visitor straight to the order page. All right. And then once you have your Clickbank affiliate link or any affiliate link whatsoever, you want to turn it into a shorter URL using tinyurl.com. I've already shared this in my previous video. If you go to tinyurl.com, you could turn it into a shorter URL, and you could also use a website called Bitly. Okay, now which traffic source are we going to use to drive huge amounts of traffic? Okay, unlimited traffic, free traffic, no paid campaigns, no paid ads. I'm going to share that with you in this video. Okay, so you probably heard about this traffic source. This traffic source is called Instagram. It's very popular, very simple, and people are generating millions and millions of dollars in commissions. Check this out. I've just opened one person down here. Okay, so what you do is you create your free Instagram account, and you come here, you create a profile, and then you put your link here. Check this link out. Okay, people go to this link, they buy the product, this guy makes money. And look at the post that he's sharing down here. If you look at the post, it's very simple. Check this out. This guy just got 71 hearts and 53 messages. Okay, you could see that. Look at the post that he's sharing. Look at it. He's giving some inspiration quotes down here, which is simple and easy. Anyone could do this. Come on. There's always to be someone, whatever. The money is coming. The financial freedom is coming. The breakthrough is coming. Type yes to claim it. Okay, check this out. 70 likes. You could do this as well, my friend. You could do this on a daily basis. The only key to success down here is persistent, and consistency is the key to success. You have to do this every single day, couple of times a day, on a daily basis. If you're just going to do it one time and then you're going to leave it on the side and then come back after a couple of weeks, then I'm sorry, don't complain and don't blame, because system works, people fail. People are the one who fails, who's failing to get this out there. Okay, so you need to do this on a daily basis. So this is simple and easy. Anyone can do this. You can see, look at this. He's just putting inspiration quotes. Okay, it isn't more money, more problems, more money, more possibilities, more money, more peace, more money, more pleasure, more money, more privilege. Okay, check this out. So he's doing the simple thing, and people are coming and they're clicking here. All right, and then whatever he wants to offer, he's offering. I'm going to share another website with you. Check this out. This guy has 37,000 followers. Okay, and look what he's posting. Inspiration quotes. You can do this as well. Check this out. Okay, don't wait for opportunities, create them. Having 100% control of your time is the biggest flex in the modern era. Check this out, my friend. You can do this as well. All right, you can do this. You can do inspiration quotes and then have your Clickbank link down here. Now, you might be asking, wait, these are inspiration quotes, and what's got that to what does that have? You're probably asking, this is inspiration quote, and I'm about to promote a make money online offer. It doesn't match. You can do this with make money online. You could get make money quotes as well. You could also do this with a targeted offer. For example, weight loss, dieting tip. There are people who are offering dieting tips and solutions on Instagram using the same method. They're either creating the video, they're also creating inspiration quotes, and they're getting people to click on this link, on that affiliate link, which is a Clickbank product, and they are making commissions. I saw a couple of weeks ago one woman, she was offering a dieting tip, okay, and she was making, I think she was making around $300 daily commissions in Clickbank just from Instagram account. So you can do this. Here's another account, okay, entrepreneur, 4.5 million followers. Look what this guy is posting. Check this out, man. Anyone can do this. All right, this is very simple, very easy. Okay, you just have to, need to have the firm belief and intention to do something and create something for yourself. Here's another account, 1.7 million followers. All right, check this out. Now this guy's been working a bit hard to create these type of posts. Okay, you can see here what he's creating. If I just come here, he's got 237,000 hearts and 930 comments. Okay, if I just click on one of these posts, so let me just click on this post. What they're gonna have a description on the right hand side, okay, and they're gonna write something, and then at the end they're just gonna say something like, hey, if you're interested in learning more about this, just leave a comment and say yes, or click on my link in my profile, and that's how you're gonna get all those. Now the question comes, this sounds so good. Okay, now if you're getting value, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe button below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, share this video. If you have questions, leave a comment for me. Okay, if you're getting so much value from this video. Now you're probably asking yourself, this sounds so good, I'm making so much money, I'm getting so much value from this. What can I do to make these type of post, these type of images? That's the question, right? So it's very simple to do that. Okay, you could go to a website called Canva. This is a free website where you can come here and create these type of professional posts. Okay, so check this out. Okay, Canva is a great tool, gets millions of visitors every single month, and they have millions of users as well, because it's a free platform that offers all this type of stuff. Okay, wait a moment, I just need to find something here. Okay, so if you come to Canva, what you need to do is you just need to go to the sign up button here, okay, and then you just need to create your free account. And once you have created your free account, on the top search bar you could put something like Instagram post or Instagram thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, wherever you're using. If you're using YouTube, you could do it for YouTube as well. They have ready-made, done for you templates that you can use, okay, and you can turn everything and do one of the greatest job for yourself and start making insane amount of commission. Now look at this. Okay, this is a high ticket product in Clickbank. Okay, and it's paying up to $678.15. Once you start doing this and you have consistently doing this, you're doing it consistently every single day, you're going to start getting traffic. You're going to go to your analytics of Clickbank, and you're going to see the trend go up. You're going to see your traffic growing. You're going to see yourself getting 10 visitors daily, then 20 visitors, then 30, then 40, then 50 visitors, and every day you're flowing traffic to this one page. Okay, and then slowly you're going to start making sales. You're going to get your first sale, which is going to be a $678 commission, and then you're going to make more money and more money. And this is how you're going to create a business for yourself using free Instagram account free traffic source. And you can do this. I have full belief that you can do this. Okay, if you're looking for a way to make money online and you're looking for that solution that could help you break through financially, this is one of the best solutions I am sharing in this video, which is absolutely free of charge. Okay, no investment required, no paid campaigns required, no paid traffic required. Okay, you don't have to talk to people, you don't have to chase people, you don't have to do the selling or telling, you don't have to convince people. You just come here, create your free Clickbank account, enter your details, choose a product, get your affiliate link, turn it into a short beautiful URL, come and create your Instagram account, create your profile, put your link here and start creating posts, whether it's a video, whether it's an article, whether it's a story, whether it's a inspiration quotes. You can do this, my friend. And there's no excuse that you can say I can't do this and that. It depends on how serious you are, to change your life. Okay, now I told you I'm going to share something so powerful that could potentially change everything for you, and that's 100% beginners friendly, and that's making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single month for our users. Okay, so check this out. This is one of my screenshots from that one system that's made me over $117,000 in commission. Now if you want to learn how I do this and how to make money online using this one program where the selling and telling is done for you, then check out the links in my description box below this video. When you scroll below this video, there's a button saying show more. Click on that show more and it will open up the whole description. Just click on that link and you will able to watch this video that is changing lives. Okay, real lives. If you can't find a link, here's the website address that you could go to. I'm highlighting it in blue here. That's the website address. You could open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will able to get access to this exact system that's changing lives. Okay, if I just go here, okay, let me just see where I could find this. If I go here, it's not just me, all right? There are other people making money with this incredible system. Okay, now I'm just looking for, let me just show you how this system is changing people's lives. Okay, so if I come here, okay, check this out. All right, check this out. Okay, Pete made $447 in commissions. Okay, PJ made $447 in commissions. Okay, this is the same person. Another $447 in commissions. Paul made $833 in commissions. Okay, Nicholas made $5,885 in commissions. Okay, Nicholas made another $833 in commissions. Miles made $1,341 in commissions. Okay, Lane made $447 in commissions. Okay, Kim made two sales, which means $833 in commissions. Okay, Kelsey made $447 in commissions. Jim made $447 in commissions. Gerard made $833 in commissions. You get the point here. If you want to learn more all about this, how this works, go to this website address or click the link in my description box below this video.